Stretching exercises primarily enhance flexibility and range of motion, but they can also contribute to weight loss when combined with other physical activities. Here are 10 effective stretching exercises that can aid in weight loss by complementing a comprehensive fitness routine. Cat-cow stretch. Get on all fours with wrists directly under shoulders and knees under hips. Inhale, arch your back, cow position, lifting your head and tailbone. Exhale, round your spine, cat position, tucking your chin and tailbone. Repeat for 1 to 2 minutes. Downward facing dog. Start on all fours, then lift your hips toward the ceiling, forming an inverted V shape. Keep your hands shoulder width apart and feet hip width apart. Hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Standing forward. Bend. Stand with feet hip width apart. Bend at the hips, lowering your head towards your knees and reaching for the floor. Hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Seated forward. Bend sit with your legs extended straight in front of you. Now bend at the hips and reach for your toes, keeping your back straight. Hold this position for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Lizard pose. Start in a plank position, then step your right foot outside your right hand and lower your hips. Hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute, then switch sides. Butterfly stretch. Sit with the soles of your feet together and knees bent out to the sides. Hold your feet and gently press your knees towards the ground. Hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Child's pose. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels and extend your arms forward. Rest your forehead on the ground. Hold for 1 to 2 minutes. Pigeon pose. Start in a plank position. Bring your right knee forward and place it behind your right wrist. Extend your left leg back and lower your hips towards the floor. Hold for 1 to 2 minutes, then switch sides. Side stretch. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Raise your right arm overhead and lean to the left, keeping your hips straight. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. Spinal twist. Sit with your legs extended. Bend your right knee and place your foot outside your left thigh. Twist your torso to the right, placing your left elbow outside your right knee. Hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute, then switch sides. Incorporating these stretches into a regular fitness regimen can improve flexibility, reduce the risk of injury, and enhance overall physical performance, all of which contribute to a more effective weight loss journey. For optimal results, combine stretching with cardiovascular exercise and strength training.